GoPro. Your GoPro.
So we're gonna do the Thriller Trail. In the rain. At dusk.
What?
In the rain. At dusk.
Yeah.
Yeah, this will warm you up. Ah, there goes my water bottle. I lost my water bottle already. I had a feeling it was going to go flying out. Yeah. Yeah, look how they shape these trails, man.
No, it's nice.
Isn't this cool? All right, where did it go? Yup.
That was quite a ride just getting here, you know.
Mm-hmm.
How you holding up?
Good.
So you don't care about me, though. I'm dying.
I got mud all in my mouth right now.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, it was all over the end of the...
Oh.
I gotta add some friction so this thing doesn't fall out. The holder on my bike holds it like really snug. Yeah, I have a video of me going down this thing.
I saw the video.
Oh, you did see that?
No, I didn't watch the whole thing. I just saw that you made one.
Yeah.
There's Brian with his meant to get back, but we never did.
That's tighter. Oh, jeez. Didn't expect this.
Better than snow.
I don't know, is it?
Well, depends. The bike riding, I guess. But these are good in the snow, I hear, too.
Yeah, with these tires, definitely. Whoa! Woo! That's it, we're out. You make a left turn right there. So I did 3 laps on this with a regular bike.
This one?
Yeah,
That's really nice.
3 laps.
This stuff is hard.
This is hard. This sucks.
They pulled all the stones out and everything now.
Yeah, unbelievable, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Now we seriously have to consider going back because we're going to be getting uncomfortable.
Yeah, I know. Woo! Dude.
Brutal.
I think it's like half frozen. It feels like it's half frozen hitting me. Isn't it?
Yeah. So it was hell for a little while.
Yeah. Holy crap.
Yeah, it's hell now.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to get out of here. That's probably a good idea.
Thank God it's all downhill.
Yeah.
We're going to freeze our ass off.
Yes, we are.
'Cause I'm soaking wet.
Yeah, I'm soaked to the bone.
You know what? That first snow was wonderful.
Wasn't that amazing? Yeah, I did it with my friend. We did 3 laps on that, and then we did another one we did 2 laps on. And then I came back here the following weekend, and I just did 3 laps on that one trail right there. But they're doing one over at Elm Ridge. See, this isn't even a mile, Bobby. They're doing one at Elm Ridge that you got to ride uphill 2.5 miles to get to the top.
Okay.
And it's going to be just like that, all smoothed out and shaped. The bank turns 2.5 miles going down.
I did Elm Ridge once.
Did you?
Long time ago with Nick.
Yeah, oh my God, this is nuts, dude.
With Nick and his group, and that's when I decided that I'm too old to
Yeah.
stay up with those guys.
Yeah, those guys are tough, man.
Because I struggled. I was like, this is not fun, it's all uphill.
Those guys are tough as nails, man.
So it was young kids in this.
Yeah, exactly. Are you ready? Oh, freezing, dude. Exactly.
You hit any balls before?
No. Woo!
24 miles an hour. Bikes are gonna walk off.
Oh my God, we are soaked.
Now you're gonna have this all over YouTube. You're gonna think that I'm a big biker and I'm fucking nuts.
Exactly. Woo! That's true.